E-khon channel we talk to E-khon election series. We first episode li rang mi khai tum psycho really welcome sadly. Issue we actually guest he Tangkul Mang Manila kan Northeast League, one of the most well-known bureaucrats, kala one of the most loved bureaucrats kaji mayon mari leadership sangi. Ukul times na awi maramli kapi dekita hang. There are people who actually walk the talk. Such people are rare to find. It's certainly even more rarer to find promises made fulfilled. Natum na thehayare, achu issue gesi, Oja Ram Muivah, retired IAS officer. Oja, welcome to the show.
Yeah, thank you. Nish Naire, Ekhon TV na invite sa kami bang. Nish Lagare.
Oja, kresa da nali inakan yarwi na putong bahan lewo. Oja hi muire we na ga shoppa we na klege. Oja na chikatar mi awgila.
Oh, essentially, Shovoli Praye. Shovoli 1960 li Praye. 1967 li ingan wilag laga muireli simhong gaine. Shovoli isina ga bamji mai mirina ring phanage isiba rai li litrak li saye. Kala ituma shovo atung tang lima pamla National Highway inglemdi Thobarkong we inglemdi machangram de pam sade. Jili atish rai horticulture orchard hari ki ka kova pungton orchard hakna ga sa laga jang jadamli ukrului Impal ukrul highway hi ari honwe ramhoi via insa samane ara machangram lamna ka den saye ju alignment ji YK Shimre, the first engineer of Manipur and the survey saye laga contractor ji tangkhuri first special contractor Sir Ram Muivah sada sarok la wireless thalain tha saye ringphal laga ji okthui saye ishewara yilu le tara le sada junai da mawarar mata maite nokling da kumsha da jang atuna ba saye ka counter insurgency movement li sibai ping na issue wi shime khulame sata miao laga ambush ka sign tara kheka army atrocities torture samangau ka da tampakli Impal hui ngalemli about 25 kilometer from Impal ari muire ki fully 1967 li ishi hongda khaini iwa nganwilak sai I was less than 10 years then ari wa iwa sowo la iwi prasang vai khune ka ari iwa muire li tapam bhaini
Oja we educational background in tum likha hang migla schooling and hopok level college.
Iwa first kindergarten jiwa 1965 li marum phungli hapok de muire li matarang la ga isiwa marum phungli tapam mai marum phungi ram hi isa wo pi matai longfuli sangme kap jimya khana khongjai khu lokhi jine waise de jang na waise khu ji marum phungda aming je hui laga isa wo pi matai na awi ari ha ga to ngali hoye iwi kathar khu hilira pam lo da is a kind of command to his son-in-laws. In Isha Vala 65 Lohongta the Ingrum Pundi kindergarten hapoge. Can now the Ishi 1966 li Shovol Hanung Duhau. Laga 67 li Modele Hongta Kaini. Ishiva Awaye Apadam liver Tata Rimpalang in Octu Saitangi, Ishava Watamli, E Kapratam liver. Iwi family work, it has become very modest. Lan katha malit, bati terah malit hote ingin lui lekajang. Saya na isi family struggle sah saya ingin lui lag lagoi na lui khawahi isa na thore na pok laga ngaya wasung de isi lui vade. Lui saw adam liver at the crack of dawn. Na thore pung matien hapok de. Lui khawahi dagang simi tungjen hanung nawi lui khawaji ba even ning sanghang faim leimani mishawa na ya inau aning na bathi ra khang sampilo da hangjin liva ni ba nga nui le koi na ngara lui hi ma lui ka som ka tatai jang ning sang na again apang da jur ser jinda jaina ka singhamli sada lui thanga ji da khawaji asag le sikri gao laga thada winningly thada paning kuya khalai. This is not the kind of life I want to live for the rest of my life. Hikta mirin here mirin pe dem sangai mane. Ka khuli ga bam manashna hoi mirin ne ngachesi jaka. Only through education. What the man you meeting a say by the you realization I'll take we are right. Zaina Kulam Hailaka in 1970 Ishavan Ili Humbum with Sigra School Porting Day Hovaye. Jana Porting School is a kind of transformation in my life. Portingly Sigrahajana Jadam Liver Ukur District Mathamic up the school Sasai. DC then come in our let them. Laga Asha Privi Miso South Miso Rame Alana Laratam Day. Laga district education officer was a foundation now Maraletam. District level officer now Raletame. Laga Mayang Sadarji Punjabi and Tamaya. At home Ziva Downhurdi Ukurdi Tadam Halan to say. Laga Ocha Lakam Tatra Sansai. Jewy principal Father Matthew Plantodam. Are we take really, he left a deep impression in my life. Jenna, our assistant, Father Khani, Father MC John, Father CM Joseph. Zaina brother la tara ocha le saye ka ina paning mi khani le. Brother Anthony, Zaina brother Jasudas. Exceptional ocha bing. Ituma class chi kan name sa ugata ituma ocha ba kachung of a sister ne, dance bing ne. Ka chali tang ho now ocha matizang. Atum nam thala he ocha ne nung song we ocha David par excellent ocha ja humbu moi na ocha Marius jen ocha Solomon joy therwe na ocha James ta tang ho na ocha Mati jain ukhul we no pasar we na ite sadarni Punjabi shina ulla khajang itumni mestam stay jain sister pink chung na tam stay jain in a way jang in certain way iwi foundation, you character he. Sega school it at the form sang that they we.
Ujalaga Sacred Heart when Shillong with journey Kitada.
Sacred Heart wine Ishavan FEMA mirror to the even after 3 years. The Daude. Jadamli feel a drum himania. Boramati Mangmane.
Boramati
Sam Ari Maji. Dean Makumang means Jinda. Porting of Jan the Ishavan Mummy to the Father Matthew the issue with Catechists, Oja hearing highly the Ramaning Shiver, Philama Milak, Makrapa made it hang idlegy. Then E-khon night the Mua today, Zaina Iramun Lemley top high school, the new Canadian Humahatam. Then Chilila Kerala was a Hanism. Then a Chilil Oja Hamtantra and Sai, Oja David, Oja Sweet and Long, Gula Kerala was a Hanidajang. Kumangs them. Janet which Lee in a Jung Silver E Tactor that was Sangai Hydelegy. Then a class 6 way in the class 9 got the Maui. Class 7, 8 skips a Hydela. Up to class 6 and then even topper sing day. Then had the Sinagate Hilly class 7, 8 matam 9 lishing them Hynesi. Then Chili Oja Paksan headmaster Sasai, Oja Vore, then a Maite Oja Sang de Jang. Class 9 them. Jeli Ishava between Ili never had the Iwili Pamalocho, the light them of the hang. Ka Ili Sinagati with climate machang, Kasachin, Haitless. Kasaji, Haita Upaimale with the class 10 in Pali, 75 NBC Tatamawi. China NBC class 10 them like Ojang Raipam. First Manipur MP studied. And the headmaster Sasai principal. College Ari Ojang Timqui upon Bajang. Zaina Oja Kika Pungaijang. Oja Pungai Pungyo he among the Manipuri or the whole of Manipur or Tangkul. The first postgraduate from Delhi School of Economics. Our TM college lecturer under Kitumit Hadaratam stay. Zaina Kongjay we like him lag Hayaka sings on the Jang. Our TM college English with lecturer MBC and Ozara Sai. Zaina Malana Aka like him now, Jikomwe. Ari Kika Malana Hanit Marathon State. I was Olis kijiga Olivia jiglejang Alfina lai them nai Alfina jaina arui metam societal ojasa sade jadamli ka in 75 zangom ja ala design sao jena MBC le oja ham tha da jang sai oja ngarai pamila thala hai oja de jen easily 1976 li metric pass alaga yi ki ga shirong le sin muslim college ka tam hind
oja laga 7 months li ki subject li
Eva PUC liver that ki economics ka ta jang political science history degree ka P ba history honors and pass ai
history honors okay laga chiwanda oja nihuli master salui
ma I nihuli history master sa da katam lui
laga oja chiwanda UPSC career hi kana da
E G nganui lag laga MA pass sa kai 22 li Zain UPSC le ta ngaran mama laga Patkai Christian College li Arwi iwi senior banner makanji US le ba haidala jena awi post hangdali da pau sa jeni umjine Zaina oja tuisem doctor tuisem sisangili history lecture sang sake 15 August 1982 li Iwo 22 years li lecture sang haini You like them now the same age with me Arwi Rolly Vereshim Jena Shimrayo to Sharwen jang Jena Dunia Moina Serena Atom you like them now we are same age Jenny had a Rolly Vereshim atomli hading son of the soya Jena Jili Thingum Katum like them like 1985 li 84 li 83 li Alaba li UPSC Athai Jili Kika Group B service among Assistant Commander CISF ka in exam sa thumani Then next year 74 li 84 li we Guwahati li tha laga chili second attempt IS mangau Then 15 August 1985 li Missouri li training wa kind
Independence Day
and then 3 years 2 Independence Day ipani uching del the arrival and departure je
career remarkable salakle share a problem
yeah.
At the age of 22 lecture I think so far hika hipak
yeah in the class can skip sa kai wang
oja li IS sa quite inspired sahi particular person lega was there a particular reason that you wanted to be an IS officer
my inspiration it inspires have oja late Omrio Shaiza Ishabagato Nalangsar he somdali sangdamde. Then our Tankun Nobing we important personality in Krajan Sati Laxidala. Ishabagato Nalangsar great storyteller, recanter generally. And in Nuida Lagaji major pocketing with Krajan, W Shais of Krajantara Hangi. And you in Jaili W Shais of Krajan he is exceptional. Are we in a Marine? Laga, I think he was one of the first from the among the Nagas. Oxford Lilai at the Maba, Laga IS Shokti. Jan Oja Umriawi ISM Gapangi, probably the first IS in Manipur Jang. Oja Umrio Shaisa with Kajanji Ilitra inspiration me. Kaju Mangali, Mamangli, Ishabag Dong and Zanda Kajan Kahang Lele, Ka Iwi Kuhili, Oja shooting either. And the Basara Sajidel. I would like him like a bolt them out. Ka Aji, TM College part time like them. Ira Moina, Impaliva, Jadamli, MSRD person, MSRDC person, rigor science, and take that you will call in Impali and commute salavat at the datum. Zain our classmate G, E marks really she say the young by data. I need that datum, she said, I knew the girl, Kajantara Sajidela. TM College at senior bench UPSC written pass of interview was a interview was some Kajan Jang that indeed that the Manahai Navzi that the very that the funny when the highway and I told Langia and in the Kahanji there was one candidate from Churachandpur we IS candidate party mayor Scott Heidler Niga Nizang Jana interview poll the UPSC Sang Jaina member Hana Mr. So you are so ugly. Yeah, how can you be IS the Hangiji? Then I chura jambur jinda. But sir, my wife told me I'm the most handsome on earth. Dajang. Then I told me how honeymoon now with dajang. Laga aj IS mo the. Oja hearing na ina sese ni ji khajan ong hangjali. I IS ki ji hi khajan chang stela. Laga isha bag dong lang san la. Major pop khatim khajan hang. Laga oja umriya wijang. Matai laga oja umriya khajan hi. He also I think come from a humble background, just like me. Oja umriya shaiza was my inspiration. Ani dita inspire sai.
And you've become an inspiration for many now.
Next lagi.
Oja Vashim khu imram le kha hang ni la oja in now nga.
In 1987 di ichura jamur estiosa lang nakhuye. Ishi now khani lei.
35 years of career as an IS officer, hili nanda thada ning changla khai project sing ka aisia penla ke gi project ka tha leila.
My jitha we in the personal satisfaction khalijang jitha bo tra khalei. Ka matai la ka ina iwi personal satisfaction bo ukruliti si sa jang. I had the opportunity. Jiwi kola khamai samang jirele. Tangkol khung chung khali yakchi khwaji. I'm very happy. Zaina tisin na redamo wala krang de khupim le khwaji. Jamu khayang pungtha ka jaw pungji pe ne ba ya. Sarok lam le samane. Zaina Arwi Hanghai Pingjiba as a deputy commissioner in Ukrujang. Zaina mai in Yarwili Kantamijang. I rescue many innocent people from the hands of army.
If I'm not wrong, you were the first Naga DC to be posted in Ukhrul.
Ukhrul ng jisa diya. Ili senior sa may tangho na ayos tara khalay. Ka thoma ya Ukhrul la quick zabay de makangay man.
Agaw jara tam ji tha communal tension khala laksa je tama sa sa.
Jitai. Ka inali ning tharan hangawe. Eva Tada number kang sao hi masong sa ngay mani. Say na ina ukuliti si sa lagi hi may ina pao siya morally tangkul simla kam hanga may sada miya we say na sinawli la mole sa miya we church la may sada miya we yudyan sila nagdam kusok sang dito siya jiwitili chatikli may nauni luikhawatam di asina sa tatawe Jena sinagay tiyo yaraw na kani ukruli sangda daga shogay na ani la sa tatawe. Iwa damli ni mati mangla shimane ka tala la ina tada zakshilay na turku impam na ita jang. Up to April 1993, transfer sa tayo nagda naga kongjaywe incident mo shoglak mo na ukruli. Kadaming long tali tra shogay. Ka in 1993 April sa tayo tili ba jang ukruli incident tra shogay. In the GC side transfer to High with Chile, now like any Atamakli, principal secretary works side. Jadamli in the Nia Mungahayakli. Kapong districtly in the state highway Pangahi, national highway on Miawi. Kare we commissioner secretary works Kasatra Hamley money. Ka Manipur state government budget the Deola Holiday. Kakapong with Sarok 200-300 kilometer kada atoma ji funding sar la jang in the national highway upgrade phangasa miaude tam bagle akha kapong le akha issue ukhrulain datu sinapati wiba datu bi to Technopal it covered 3 districts via Phaipung Humi Voknayar Taloi Ukhrul jana Shangshar Phungyer ka Somkhulen is near about 300 kilometers national highway on Mikaine, Arichi watch Habok delay. Jena Senapati Wiji, Maram to Mezepima via Piren, the national highway on Miawe. Jaina Temenglong Li Kongsang to Temenglong. Jandeli Palen to Jandel. Jurajampo Li, Jurajampo to Singsol, Mizoram via Singat. The state highway Pangahi in the national highway on Miawe. Kala Tambak live iwi minister ji maite naunta Dr. Retd jang Jaina Kishampa to Kakjing Kuno via Mayang Impal jang Singum Trukli in the national highway Truk Saming Jidela Jiwikola Kamaya Akabo Ari Vijay Chipper my senior colleague Ashiu Aprivahi Ari Chris Chipper Jang, the Royal Ari to Laway the Chris Rakan Chipper. Then they make up the financial advisor. Now the Secretary Transport Saugata. I will come join at Raksang. See one of my greatest satisfaction, Jerry.
Illustrious career, really. You've worked with the state as well as in central government. Hilly challenges, other face, other challenges lately, humorally.
In the 35 years, Osaka Hilly challenges have let us among you will experience the challenges of make up my political process. You will mainly I have certain ideas. In the IS here, IS I thought IPS, IS here to protect the less fortunate. Shipping the protection mission. IPS officer IS na atumli protection keep on the protection but my ideas came into conflict with the political process. Sayna atumna masahang yi the salo jaw. As an IS officer ituma ethic of the conduct of rules they homojang sababan by money. Minister being they have no conduct rule. Sayna atum sababa bayo. Janjit had the conflict of interest. Kaleaina my Tata ili frequently transfer kasalang vaye inconsequential department kamiling vaye as a punishment. Sita right now the in the Tata Papta way. I have no problem. Inconsequential department vala to lob sing babam the jam. Ka yar really mang John by two. Zaina but Katata he overcome. One has to be absolutely professional. She tiger minister guy have a atumla marakli respect side. If an IS officer absolutely professional, his integrity, honesty atumla appreciate sang by Jaina. Minister guy have my Michelin soye, Makam Shilera Shobe. Dealing with the political process was some of the biggest challenges we experience later.
Talking about integrity, society, corruption, it's very rampant. Whether we talk about political leaders or from civil societies, what can you do? What should we do to remove this corruption from the society?
Corruption here is a way of life in Manipur. Ula kadang nage, tada corruption kasabing siping jinda tada simlui sim kahal ram kahal losung kapam bingjelijang society na respect kalitao. Then ituma corruption here ituma Manipur asing na hapong top level na hapong. With 35 years I had a ringside view. I from close encounter in the day. Then atungan hapok the asindashung the corruption saumo. He transformation quiraji sago sabre. We need itum na dagar some make up strong civil organization, strong institute, Bangda Kai Institute, Bangda Kai press and media. Hina jang kika mangrer corruption here that the top in hapokomo. I think that it has become a way of life. It is open secret. Individually that the pen money, you get shilling money. I have no regret. It's my press media here. They should be exposed. Bureaucrats la, politician la, minister la, are corruption interest had the press and media should fearlessly expose. Control secret. If we take the fourth pillar of the democracy, press and media, that's my role, important salary. Because if my Oriental society have the shame, if you shame in the press publicly, they should be exposed. She tiger checks up by the finding you. Arriva anti-corruption vigilance got have claim later, CBI later, Central Vigilance Commission later, got have corruption searching delay. Now it is up to the civil organization, press and media to check the corruption. Jinda you will take it in effective summary happening.
Laga oja mi kai kana ari election atam saugi da oja li question khan ka le 35 years of working in government service and then you're planning to come into politics and some people ask is it fair for somebody who has been in power for so many years and then coming back into politics hili oja na ki hangai le
no Jim thala hai question ne. We are living in the parliamentary form of government. Parliamentary form of government tum phapta sardele. Power is in the hands of the ministers. Manipur we the business of delegation of power li. Sanctioning power secretary here our power in the musang mate. File ga tong lubasha kan hawok daga unlimited minister ka sung sare. All the power is concentrated in the hands of the minister. In the complaint examining money, maybe it is rightly so. They are the representative of the people. They should wield the powers. No, I have no problem. China, yar really kachangkat John Laxi Jaka. Itu me society, itu me miyur, itu me lamhi. Transformation kira si Jaka. You need public office holders. So it may parliamentary form of government atomly power Mr. Romo. A bureaucrat, IS officer is only an instrument. My in a 35 years what Sahili, in a Manipuri what Sahi 21 years thing. 11 years I was with the central government was Saye, 1 year England delight at the Maui, 2 years National Academy of Administration was really training away. In a 21 years in a Sak Shabje Saye, as a minister to make hard Sabai. Kyovangla juga powers awi pangli later lisang. Kala aji in the yari meaning sak exihi. Tada ngalang pegwi say yarwi akwasa la ring pakwi si jiga tamaning lak money. Iwi ningli kak saga harai. I have a sense of mission. God willing zang. Iwi mirin taidek lehi. In the young pangship later level. The rest of my life I want to offer service in the service of the people, of our people. Together, let us build up our land. People, vision. I have a sense of mission. That the politics here, public office and basis of containing lag money. In the Shanghai to make hard lefe, yeah, there is unfinished task. Young Lo Aji Ukruhina is a Jerusalem of Manipur. Very silly remake up the shoke, Kapungli like them, especially 19th century remake up the shoke, remake up the shock very upon Jerusalem, Manipur, Aji. Nathan makeup the district headquarters sadly. Ukrul district, Tanghulia, I think we deserve better. You will take with lots of work to be done. IS officer and the Hiva, Monsieur Ramre. Public representative Saka, Yarui, they come by me the local power to me this from me by the legend. IS officer Saka in the bureaucrat has such a way upon the theory. Our public office representative study is some action. Ivana Miami, Kala Yunda, Yarwina, my chance maker, Sagaxin.
Oja, Yari meaning Ansada, Ujawila, Yari, Shabasa, like Ujawi dreams, vision, like declaration song, Ojana, Kashir Sami, like to me.
And this Lakai questions, you have Lakai question. In the question that you vision in that and how old hang out. You ning the Saga I have a sense of mission. Sabai, itumui ukrul district tangpur lamhi transform sangai rivana miami kajang saina in adu ke tio ka pangde le kajang yang le de ka the rest of my life ibo yuli seba sarada jang ibo my higa offer sangai iwi vision wa tada fivefold really vision tara khale ka tada phangaji na ngawe number 1 li itumui tangkuli mi shemka sekji iwi vision mi ga tada shemkar hi aru ki ga quality education le thongra aru tangkuli IS jungdam shok mne da kahang le le ka tada shok school kamtha mali lak laga ukhru district headquarter li mai school kamtha mati phanga le sar ka tangkul khum hi wa shakhani hang phanga ka de le quality education phira si ja ka foga ji da school kamtha le thongre itumna right to education act ariwa national education policy da hoire ji mathala ga ina letter and spirit what sa sho ga quality education phira pai jamsa da right to education act li khug ji da teoro no hokru no school le thongre school a khali teo mai kap da classroom shini le thongre classroom ge ji da wacha le thongre wacha ji 100% local tu the thongre ta hu the thongre aya min da cham stay pai mani jaina wacha hi 50% tang khai yo shinau sa thongre chang de le kadam naw pingli thang khali schoolie chat hang laga mitei mit mera da sangai tukan li package lor ga mi pai mane chili hang laga khlu mai mi sa ki jene jene chili shinawi menawi running water washroom later portable water makhwai le phungra hi tha policy kam tha le de hi implement sa ki de la jang chi tha implement sa ki ji ba quality education later chi tha ga ithumwi human resource mission ka pai de what we need is human capital we itum tangkuli we are second to none ka we lack the opportunities China eva quality education kira laga human resource make mo shema ye number 2 li itumui aribo itumui population here 60% 70% of youth yaron ngalanda athumli empower sa pongre youth empowerment gender 50% tang khai wi itum population sinau li la athumna yu shemga se je role me pongre jang ji thai ga me naw mang ne sem je itum tang khai mang man da to that extent athum service ma bai la jang jena sinau ping li la sang yi athum sak sabji iwa opportunity mi ngai khamati ali iwa ki ka government mang li depend sa pai mani itumui natural entrepreneurial spirit ji unleash sangai shomi ngai ari we in yaron ngana da bimdi khajan sa laga thada development khira ngai mi tra khleye entrepreneur sa ngai tra khleye ka physical infrastructure deficit sarok le gam thamale power le regular sama terla running water male bank le mathada branches male ATM le mathada male ka thada entrepreneur ra urjang jibingji it is the duty function of the government developing country deliver public good kijiba healthcare education roads power water supply hi bajang government mirate it is the duty of the government we are not developed country develop ngalai liver private thada sasar mane kajiba consumer bingin da fee matik sanai mi homu ithumui liver fee mikra mitra hamlela so it is the role and function of the government to provide sikha we basic infrastructure mega I we take with our yaron ngana entrepreneur truck shopre athumui natural entrepreneurships spirit alisar entrepreneurship is the sky is the limit entrepreneur khana misha khani sa tum employee sa mera sida ka government we what ka phalata ka msa li mera jang ji iwi ki ka iwi vision ne katangali ukhru hiba masi ka masi thermai arwi room ga chang la ta natural temperature tha de jang air condition tha de ring phala khai yarwi teli li pam de le thang ji de khabali ga bi de le teli we mirin hi ba singum thara shi sangi ji because of pollution masi le ma thar da ngam ga shin hang fai ma le mani I mara khali matho shong yoga sa ye pranayam sa ye I thumna masi khangnam ji ta da ngam shiro ta yu khuli teli li ba arwi ukhru hi kya khring phau masi ga thar jang China tambakli okuthui Delhi Kolkata Chennai Guwahati le pambing wajang ka phungli hill station li bangai nak jidalaji hom ga jida thum samali ba Nainital Mussoorie Shimla li Rohtang Pass li khawahi sa khali kari shamadi shabhanga ta kaya every year hom jida thum Mussoorie li bar now they are fed up they are tired they want to see new places Qatar hill station thinga jidala I thum ukhru ka thai jen ukhru tourism He potential trah lede tourism homestay tourist resort forest resort trah sabai ka itum infrastructure ma khleba hina sarok la mthada malai hotel la mthada malai law and order mam tha tourist being hiba yakhwe khwai relax sa ge bijim da jang they don't want to get tension ka hotel la malai kari la mthada ma sat sarok malai power la dikulam sa ka thadara or Then infrastructure he pilap saika tourism he promosangai Ukrul has the potential. These are some of my vision and dream for Ukrul, for Tangkul.
Jawi concerns kala dreams being it's very relevant and we really need those plans. Oja nish naire shi kon channel li na we vision kala na we mirin khajan phai chi thik mi wang. Thank you.
Yeah, E-khon le ning slagai da chance mi wangjo ning sinai na thum press and media role hiba critically vital ari ona tan ni jang ye thum le tra promotion ai jo yeah I have lots of respect for the press and media ning slagai
thank you na thum psycho na oja ram ning we kharchan khangna sa mangai kala na ishi tangkhul yu we wang ki vision le kala ki sangai de kali ki jile la khangna sam pangai E-khon hi indigenous liu being we kashokazan jithai kawai media platform makne achu election series we kare episode li ram mi khain tum psycho really nishna hai khanau atam li lai tum nahi tha da intending candidates di hora laga atumi birin kharchan kala atumi hopes and aspiration hi ana amrum lu shi kawai sa se na tum na khanau episode li la ram mi nishna hai